everybody is talking about having app-based taxi in Goa, right? And we as women, we face a lot of problem. So that is why we got these women from different fields, different age groups today to voice their feelings as to why we actually need an app-based taxi in Goa. Because when every state, every union territory can have it, why not us?
Okay, so madam, there is 2 apps in Goa already. So, what do you like to say on that? What is your feedback on that?
No, see, they are there, definitely. They are helpful as well. But I think what we need is a bigger network. Because, Goa is spread across south, north, everywhere, Vasco, Ponda. So we need a bigger network because our population is also increasing. Like I said, even now women are going to work in all shifts. There is hospitality, there is tourism. So we need a bigger network so that everybody has a cab available on their fingertips.
Madam, you might be used that Goa Miles or that Goa Taxi app you had used. How would be your rating for this app?
They're quite good. Only thing is sometimes it's very difficult to find because at times probably because they are lesser in numbers, so it's very difficult to find them many times. So that is the only challenge that we are facing. It's not just available every time we want to book at any time of the day, Like my daughter, if she goes to some friend's place in the night and she wants to come back, we have to go and pick her up because it's not available at that time. So I think it's just the quantity. If we increase the volumes, perhaps it could be good. And the aggregator could be anybody. It's not just we are not talking about any app like Ola, Uber. It could be a Goan app also. But the taxi volume should be very high so that we can get a taxi whenever we want.